Hey guys, how you doing? My name is Robby. This is my craft corner. And it's been a little bit over a week since intern number 2 quit. I have no idea why he quit. He just told me it was time to go. So he just left. And we were having so much fun. I genuinely thought that he would like the Halloween makeup. The channel's not doing very good anymore. I have no more interns and you know, everything's just falling apart. So I decided to start my own moving company. But starting a moving company and just moving everything by yourself sounds absolutely horrible. And that's why I came to the intern's house to ask if he'll take his old job back. Well, not exactly his old job. I mean, in the moving company, I mean. Intern number 2! How you doing, buddy?
What are you doing here?
Can you come out for a moment? I want to talk to you about something. I'm really sorry for the whole intern games thing, and I was wondering if you want your old job back.
Not really.
Well, what if I say please?
Can I actually get paid this time?
Yeah, yeah.
You pay me?
I'll pay you.
Okay. I'll take my old job back.
Well, it's not exactly your old job. We're actually a moving company now. I got you your own jumpsuit, so you don't get your clothes all sweaty. You're welcome. All you gotta do is help me drive this U-Haul across the country.
I didn't sign up for this. I'm not gonna wear the jumpsuit, but I'll help you drive the U-Haul across the country.
Really? That's fantastic!
Yeah, no, there's a global heat wave, dude.
Oh, that's fair. Okay, well, I'm not gonna wear mine either. Come on, let's go. It's getting dark. U-Haul. Okay, let's get the show on the road, intern. And off we are. Goodbye, Troy Dobransky. I'll see you later. Hey, intern, guess who's tagging along?
Who?
How's it going, intern?
No, dude, do not. I will throw him out the window.
I can't wait to spend the entire trip with you.
Shut up.
The entire trip. Oh, what am I listening to? Taylor Swift, turn that shit up.
Robby, I'm trying to drive.
Hey bro, I'm gonna get one of these pink donuts. You want one?
Sure.
Okay, cool. I'm gonna get you one.
Okay.
Oh, hey there, intern. Don't mind me. I just need to go to the bathroom really quick. Okay, guys. So the intern thinks that he's gonna get one of these delicious donuts, but I brought my little bag of tricks with me. And he thinks he's gonna get this real donut, but he's actually gonna get this fake donut. Honestly, the fake donut looks more tasty than the real donut. I'm pretty sure this one's gonna work. It's 2 in the morning and he's really tired. Just gonna go ahead and stick this right inside the bag, and I'm gonna have my donut at the ready. Oh man, hey intern, how's it going, buddy?
It's good. I'm about to go to bed.
You ready to go to bed? Do you want your donut before you go to bed? Here you go. Yeah, there's your donut, man.
I do want my donut.
Still in the package. Take it out. Let's cheers. To an awesome day of moving. Great first day of moving.
Did it.
We did it. Great first day. How is it?
I think it's stale. What the?
You've been pranked. That's not the real donut. It's a squishy donut.
In my mouth.
This was the real donut the entire time.
It actually feels like a real donut.
Well, guys, I guess I'm gonna have to say that this one actually works.
This is my real donut now. Yo, so we just made it here out of our hotel room.
Okay.
So I really do. Bro, are we in for real right now? Are we in for real right now? No, dude. Dude, are we?
Welcome to Sweet Home, Alabama. Woo! Sweet Home, Alabama, where the sky's always green.
This is not Sweet Home Alabama.
Why is the sky not green? Is that how it goes? I don't even think that's correct.
The sky's blue.
But it's
blue. The grass is
I'm
green.
so confused. Hey, how's it going, little guy?
It's going good. Just grabbing my pants to sleep.
I have something for you.
What?
We have to do it again.
No.
No, I'm kidding, I'm kidding.
This is a waste of shaving cream. And a waste of my time. Oh, dude.
Ooh. Did it scare you?
Yeah. I'm right. Maybe we're wrong.
Yes, record that flower intern. You're doing a Great job.
Oh, it's just winding in the wind. So pretty. You're so pretty.
He's nice to concentrate right now, so it's a perfect opportunity. Just really enjoying the nature, the nice silence.
Bro, seriously?
I got you.
No, you didn't.
Pop, pop.
What do you mean?
You've been pranked? That one was such a fail, it didn't want to come out.
Just smells bad.
Okay guys, we're on Route 66. We just stopped for gas. There's a little Circle K over here. I have this fake lotto ticket. I'm gonna go and tell the intern that I bought him a lotto ticket and I'm having really good luck today and I feel like you might win something. Anyway, let's go see how this turns out. Intern! Oh my God!
What's up?
I got you these lotto tickets.
Why?
Let's just say I'm really feeling our luck today and I think we're really in for it big, okay? So try this lotto ticket and
I'm down.
Yeah, I actually got two
Yeah.
of them, so one for you, one for me.
I give it a good luck kiss.
Ooh!
Always gotta give it that good luck kiss. Gotta figure out my king numbers. We got
Ooh.
4,
Ooh.
36,
Ooh. Okay.
28, 15, and 2. All right,
Okay.
my numbers. So we just gotta get the crowns to match.
A few moments later.
Okay, we had to move because there's someone behind us at the gas station.
Yeah.
So suspenseful, dude. I think.
That was very scary. Okay, I just want to finish this, dude. Things are looking good, I'll tell you that much, Robby.
Yeah? Just scratch them all off.
Yeah, I just gotta do it all, and then I'm gonna count it up in the end.
Wait.
When any of your numbers match any king's numbers, wait a second.
Oh my God.
Dude.
Oh my God, what?
Dude, I won $100,000.
What? You won 100 grand? Yeah. Oh my God. Okay, that's mine. It's mine. I'm taking it. And you didn't even scratch all of them off.
No, I'm not finished. There might be more.
Wait, what?
Bro, I won the
I bought the
$1
ticket.
million.
Half of it's mine.
No, it's not. I don't have to work for you anymore.
No, come back. No, it's mine. Hey,
I'm going
intern.
home, bro.
Hey, no,
I'm
come back.
I'll
Intern.
get an Uber. I'll get an Uber.
No.
I'm rich now.
What?
Dude, I'm rich.
Intern.
Oh no, I gotta tell him.
Intern, no, stop. Wait, intern. Stop. No. You've been pranked. It was a prank lotto ticket. It wasn't a real ticket. All of them have winners.
So you're telling me I still need you?
Yeah, nice try, buddy. Come on, let's go. Get back in the U-Haul. Go. Come on. Get back in there. We decided to stop at this abandoned gas station. The intern's vlogging again. There's a giant arrow here, and it's the perfect opportunity for a prank. Hey man, just enjoying this this giant arrow.
I am, yeah. No, this is really cool, dude. Holy moly.
Hey, let's go check out these buildings. Hey man, you wanna go in this abandoned building? Let's go in this abandoned building.
Dude, you know what they call people like us? Urban explorers.
Whoa, we're explorers.
Yeah, no, that's actually what it's called when you go and explore like
Wow.
abandoned stuff.
I don't know why we didn't just stay here. This
Yeah.
feels very cozy, very at home. Oh my God! Oh, a cockroach! Oh my God! Oh,
They're eating it!
Will you just smack me?
Gross.
You just smacked me?
What are you doing?
You've been pranked! It was a fake cockroach. Where did my fake cockroach go?
It fell in the crack.
Oh man. Ooh, yummy. Ooh. Here, try it. It's yummy.
No, dude, it was in your mouth while I'm opening mine. So it's actually gross.
Oh my God, guys, look at all these real bugs. I could totally get the intern. I mean, they kind of look. Oh, intern!
Did you actually pee in the bathroom?
I did. I went pee in the bathroom. It was very bad. Come on, I have something to show you. Dude, if that one cockroach scared you, come here. Look at all these cockroaches in here, man.
Oh my god!
Look at this big one. Look at this big one. Oh!
Stop! Stop! Look at that, that's so fucking gross.
How you doing, intern? You glad to be out, stretching your legs? I know we only drove about an hour. That's what we do sometimes. Anyway, come on, let's go. Let's go to Guillermo. Going down to Guillermo, gonna get ourselves a treat. Oh, here's one. Intern, come here, check it out. Another snack.
I'm unfazed.
He's getting used to it. I need to find another prank.
We got testers, we got food. This is like the first meal we're basically eating today. Okay, this is like a late lunch, a very late lunch. I opened it, guys, and what's this doing here?
You're too accustomed to this roach now. Okay guys, we made it to our hotel. It feels a little sketchy. They have garage lights above our beds. The intern and me got here pretty late, so he's eating some microwavable chicken noodle soup.
Yummy.
Dude, what the f?
This hotel really gives me colic. Stop.
Put it in there with it. It's good luck.
No, it's not, dude. That's electric. It's gonna break.
Oh, hey, intern, I got you this Happy Meal.
Yo, for real?
Yeah.
Thank you so much, dude. I freaking love Pokemon.
Yeah, I know you really like Pokemon. You do all these unboxings.
Oh my god! There's a roach, dude. There's a roach.
It's a prank. You've been pranked.
Stop. No, stop.
Hey, where are you going? Intern, wait, stop. Where are you going?
I'm leaving, Robby. Find your own way home.
Intern, no way. Sorry. Intern, I'm sorry. I'll never do it again.
Dang it, there's no electric locks in here. Dang it.
Wait, we have to turn back.
Wait, why?
I forgot my roach.
No, I'm not turning around, bro.
Oh, okay guys, so we're at Bass Pro Shop, Memphis, Tennessee. I've wanted to come here many times, and I've passed by it so many times, but I've never been able to, and this is the first time I've actually gotten to go. I've wanted to go here for like 10 years. It's gonna be great. Hey, don't mess this up for me, intern.
You're gonna get us kicked out.
Intern, you wanna buy a duck?
Yeah, take it home with us.
I don't know if you can buy a duck at Bass Pro Shop.
Wait, but it's here.
These are just buildings inside of another building.
Buildingception, dude. Whoa.
Ducks, 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 ducks. Intern, this is what they did with the ducks that died downstairs.
No.
That way they're here forever.
No. No.
Hey intern, do you want to use this boat? It's in a very convenient spot above the stairs.
That honestly sounds pretty awesome.
We could just slide down the stairs in the boat. I like it. Let's do it. We're gonna get kicked out of Bass Pro Shop, TBH. Guys, I haven't pranked the intern today, so I think it's about time. Oh yes. This one's for grilling meats.
Dude, they have maple.
What's up?
Bro, you put this on my head.
No, I didn't.
You're literally sitting there with a camera. Dude.
Who did that?
No, I don't know. Dude, you have a backpack on your head too.
I know, someone's just going around throwing things on people's heads. I don't know what's going on. Oh wow, intern. Oh my gosh, look at this building inside of a building.
Stop! Stop, man!
69.
Why'd you do that?
It wasn't me.
You were literally standing there with a camera.
It was that guy over there.
Was that guy over there?
It wasn't me. Hey, no, intern, no, wait, stop. Oh no. Okay guys, so the intern is sleeping behind me right now. He sleeps so good here. He just sleeps like a log in these hotels. There's just something about the ambiance. I don't really know. He told me about it. Anyway, let's tape him to the bed. Here we go. Okay, so that's looking pretty good. Pretty solid tape job if I say so myself. Okay guys, and the piece de resistance. Yes, perfect. Okay guys, I'm gonna blow my whistle. Wake up, intern! It's time to get up!
What's going on?
I covered you in duct tape, intern! I got you!
Dude!
And you were face masked so you couldn't see what happened.
Bro, this is not the way to wake up!
You've been trapped.
Dude!
Do you want me to take it all off?
I'm trying!
Oh, here you Okay, I shouldn't have used Gorilla Tape, I'm sorry.
Dude, I'm done with this. Get this off me. Get this off
You want
me.
me to, okay, I'll try, okay. You ready?
Yeah. That would really hurt, dude. No, this went too far. I'm gonna
went
be
too-
honest here, I quit the moving company.
What? You can't
No.
You can't quit the moving company.
I'm gonna buy my plane ticket. I'm going home.
What are we gonna do, just leave everything there?
What do you mean we? I'm leaving. You could finish the moving company. You could do your own company. I'm leaving.
Well, if you quit, then I quit.
Okay, I'm still gonna book my flight.
I'm gonna go book my flight. See you later. Okay guys, I just got to the airport, going home. Intern?
Robby?
What the heck? Well, I guess there's only one airport. Okay guys, I decided to get some lunch before I hop on the plane. Wait, what the? Are you joking? I have to sit next to you the entire plane trip? Can I have the window seat at least? No.